Oh, I'm doing 2 videos in one day. This one with the face cam. Yay. Yay. God, it's cramped in here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, playing Starve.io because why not? I like Starve.io. I don't care about you, so... Yay! Of course I started during nighttime, but... I don't know how much of the screen you can see, but... who cares? Yep. I sure hope I can record all of this in one video. And yes, I know, I'm running out of that. I can just simply put that down. But first of all, before I do anything else, since that's a bit... Oh my god, my thing's glitching out. There you are. Come over here. Get your ass over here. There we go. I wish I could do a live stream with this thing. I really do. It would be amazing if I could do a live stream with this. Oh my god. I wouldn't have to actually record it, just stream it. Oh my god. I only have like 19 minutes to record this. And it doesn't feel that long. To you it probably feels like ages. To me it feels like just a little bit of time. Dragon! Shut up! So, yeah. I just gotta kill some more of course I'm gonna go there. Gotta kill some more things and do some more stuff and then come back and kill some more things and do some more stuff. Yeah. Get comfortable. Ah. Of course there's a wolf with a spider. And I despise you. Now to get these wolves. The wolf. I'm awkward right now, aren't I? Yeah, get this wolf. Please. Come. Okay. Screw you then. I don't care. I'll set it up whenever I start taking damage, which may freak some of my viewers out, but I really don't care about that either. I don't care if my thing's not centered. It really doesn't matter to me. There, is that better? I really do wish that I could use this thing on live stream. Which I know that there's a little yellow dot or little yellow circle around my mouse, but you know what? I actually can't see that. I only see my mouse. But I watch my own videos, so. I also reply to comments. Yes, I reply to comments. Oh my god! Unless there are like too many comments to reply to. But if it's not that, then I reply to comments. So maybe I can do. Oh god, there's another. He's got the sword of the savage. So right now, I'm playing a noob role. But soon you'll see. You'll see how good I really am. And my voice is cracking left and right. Okay. Now you can see how good. What am I doing? I'm on face cam. Oh, right. It's backwards. First of all, I'm about to... First of all... Oh, okay, I see how much you can see. Please pay attention while I watch my own video. Okay, we have our backpack on. Damn it. Now, one thing I would love to get is a hat. Because hats are absolutely amazing. If I can get a Santa hat, that would be epic. I forgot. No, I'll do that after I do this. So fine and out. It's absolutely fine. Now, one thing I'm going after I get the bag, I always go for the book. Because the book is the next most important thing to get. I've already been going 7 minutes? What? As you can see, it's a slow process. Oh my god, 7 minutes. I hate myself. 7 minutes. I'm gonna be harsh to my viewers. Good god. I'm gonna be so harsh to my viewers. You know what? I don't care about my viewers. No, I actually do. I really care about my viewers. Unlike some YouTubers, not hating on PewDiePie, but PewDiePie. Yeah. Anyway. Of course, I'm subscribed to PewDiePie. I'm not a T-Syrian. No. You can look through my subscriptions list, and PewDiePie will be the last one on the list because he's the first one I subscribed to when I started my channel. Gotta start young. I started young enough. Oh, careful, my food is low. And I'm so sorry that I'm leaving all this in because I have no clue how to edit. At all. I'm gonna learn how to, but for now I have no clue at all whatsoever how to edit. Okay. Welcome to what I do in my spare time. And if anybody has seen me on Starve.io and Rope.io before, I'm Crunker. Not Crunker. No! Crunker.io too. I'm Meepo. Sometimes I'm Meepo, now I'm Chander. I used to be Meepo. Except then I realized that there was a different Meepo. Yep, a rapper, which I don't like rap. Not a fan. So yeah. Sorry I went silent for a bit, I was trying to... I'm also watching my other video at the same time. So, yeah. Just get through this one, guys. It may take a while for me to get the stuff that I need for everything. I need to look for presents, damn it. And I know I have wooden tools, I'll fix that soon, don't worry. Don't worry about me, I'm just bored out of my mind. If I find any rabbits, I'll make a thing to kill them. I won't kill them with a sword, which is the most stupid thing I would ever do. Yeah. Which I don't know if I'll be on tomorrow if you want to play with me. You can ask me tomorrow. I'll probably play, if I play Starve.io, I'll play Legacy. Probably the one with the least amount of players. Yeah. First of all, before I do anything. Okay, nope. If I would have gotten a hat, I would have just dropped the rabbit altogether. Okay. Doop doop doop. Shit, I'm such a noob. Oh my god, I'm such a noob. Oh yeah. One thing, I probably don't need that yet. I sure need rabbits though. Yeah, I'm just gonna... Oh, man. Okay, stone tools. I'm asking if I want to join, or if you... if it's okay if I join. I'm gonna give him a little present. Oh. Yeah, get that. Ah. Sorry, squeal. I can help him out a little bit. I can just help him out.